Science and Discovery, Coin Spin Speed Experiment. On a sunny Monday morning in the Science and Discovery workshop, young Tim was eager to learn something new. Today's experiment was all about coins. "All right, class," said Mr. Green. "We're going to find out which coin spins fastest." "First up is the penny," Tim called out, carefully placing the penny at the edge of the spinning board. Yep. With a swift motion, he let it go. The penny spun around and around, making a faint humming sound as it went. "Next," Tim said, grabbing a nickel. "Let's see if it spins faster." The class watched as he repeated the process with the nickel. When it stopped spinning, he recorded the time on his stopwatch. "Now it's time for the dime," he said. The class held their breath as the dime started spinning. When it finally came to a stop, Tim wrote down the time on his clipboard. "And last but not least," Tim announced, "the quarter." The class watched as he dropped the largest coin onto the spinning board and started his stopwatch. "All right, everyone," Tim exclaimed as he compared the times on his clipboard. "It looks like our quarter spins the fastest. But why?" "That's a great question, Tim," said Mr. Green. "Let's discuss. Why do you think the quarter spins faster than the other coins?" "Some of us think it's because the quarter is heavier," said one student. "Others think it's because it has more edges to spin on." "Exactly," said Mr. Green. "We have to think about both the weight and the shape of the coins. Does anyone want to try explaining this to us?" "I think the quarter spins faster because it has a larger mass and more edges," said Sarah. "This makes it spin more efficiently." "Sarah is making a good point," said Mr. Green. "But how can we prove it? We need to do another experiment." "Let's take a break," said Mr. Green, "and then we can think about how to prove Sarah's theory." The students cheered as they took a short recess, ready to continue learning and exploring.